How to fix circuit design space app not working. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. To resolve your issue, press and hold onto your application and head to App Info. Force stop your application and head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. Once you do this, you can do this process using your mobile setting as well. First and foremost, open up your setting and select Apps. Go to All Apps, tap on the search icon and search for Circuit Design Space. If it does not display any of the application, try another keyword. Force stop it, head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. Next, head back from all of this and tap on your system update to check for an update for your mobile data. It is necessary to know if your mobile can support the version of the application or not. Moving on, open up your Play Store or App Store. Search for Circuit Design Space and tap on the application. Check for an update. If there is an update, leave it for an update. If not, uninstall your application and reinstall it later. This will help to fix any bug or server issue. Next step, check if the application is available for your region. If not, do not try to use a VPN, and if you're connected to a VPN, make sure to disable it. Check for your Wi-Fi connection. If it's acting up, switch to your cellular data and try to use the application once again. And that is exactly how you can fix your issue of your app not working. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.